Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, magsasagot ulit tayo ng current board problem from the April 2024 Electrical Engineering Boards, which is from Engineering Mathematics. And this is specifically under ng trigonometry. Pero before natin sagutan yung word problem na to, shoutout muna kay CJ Lumibaw ng University of Luzon taking now Chemical Engineering, kay Renante Canilio Shabok, kay Paul Ryan Umadhay at saka kay Idol Carl Morada. Maraming salamat sa iyo CJ, Renante, Paul and Carl sa patuloy na support sa channel ni Sir IJ, and I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes. Pagpalain kayo palagi ni Lord and keep safe always. So yung problem natin is two stones are 1 mile apart and are of the same level as the foot of the hill. The angles of depression of the two stones viewed from the top of the hill are 5 degrees and 15 degrees respectively. Find the height of the hill. So, di ba meron tayong tinatawag na angle of elevation and angle of depression. Pero tandaan natin, if we are dealing with both angles, so tandaan lang po natin that the angles are always with respect, mga Lodi Cakes, with respect sa horizontal. To the horizontal. Just take note of this guys ha. Kumbaga ito yung first key concept na tatandaan natin. Elevation kasi is viewed sa baba papunta sa taas. So yung angle mo must be Lodi Cakes must be with respect to the horizontal. So kumbaga in terms of the illustration, the angle of elevation is like this. Okay? So ito yung horizontal line of sight. Ito yung angle of elevation natin. So this is elevation, Sir IJ. Okay? Sa mga Lodi Cakes natin. Tapos naman, kapag in terms of the angle of depression, so let's say, you're viewing an object from to the bottom, mga Lodi Cakes. So let's say, ito yung object natin. Tapos ito yung line of sight mo. Ito yung tinatawag natin na angle of depression. Okay? Mga Lodi Cakes. Sana naintindihan po. Lagi po siyang with respect to the x-axis or to the horizontal. So, depression yung pinag-uusapan natin. Ang sinabi, 5 and 15 degrees daw yung angle of depression ng dalawang stones. So, let's say this is the hill, mga idolo. So, this is the hill and we have a certain height of the hill. Hindi natin alam kung ano, mga idolo. So, yung isang stone, viewed from the top, mga Lodi Cakes, has an angle of depression which is 5 degrees, mga idolo. And this is 15 degrees. Sana maliwanag. Tapos, the distance between the two stones, so let's say this is stone B, kasi nauna yung sa 5 degrees eh. Stone B, ito yung stone A natin. So, kung 5 degrees to mga Lodi Cakes, ito this one is 5 degrees. So, tandaan natin by alternate interior angles. 'Di ba? So, since these two are alternate interior angles, they must be equal. Kasi these two are parallel. Tandaan natin in terms of ganito mga Lodi Cakes, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles must be equal. So if this is 5, this is also 5, Sir IJ. Etong buong to 15, this is 15. And this is equal to 1, which is the distance between the two stones. So let's say this is x, which is the distance of stone B from the foot of the hill. And we have to assign the height of the hill as h. So anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? We will be using the two triangle analysis, yung mga tangent na tinatawag natin. So considering the smaller right triangle, so we have an equation which is tangent 15 degrees. Sir IJ, bakit tangent ang ginamit mo? Kasi opposite over adjacent. That is the SOHCAHTOA, TOA, in which yung ginamit natin ay TOA. Tangent 15, ang opposite sa kanya ay h over x. So for the second one, we have the larger right triangle. So we have tangent 5 degrees is equal to h all over x plus 1. Ganito ang diskarte dyan mga idolo. Ano ba hinahanap natin? Height of the hill. If you are just looking for the height of the hill and hindi mo naman na kailangan yung x, so pwede mo agad isolve yung x in terms of h dun sa either two equations na sa tingin mo mas mabilis masosolve yung x. Ito may x plus 1 pa, so medyo complicated. So ito na lang yung gawin natin. Isolve natin si x in terms of h. So that is h over tangent of 15 degrees, mga Lodi Cakes. And then this will be substituted to the second equation, which will be transformed as tangent of 5 degrees is equal to h all over, replace x with h over tan 15 degrees. Okay, mga Lodi Cakes, plus 1. And then we will just solve for the value of H, in which gagamitin ni Sir IJ yung cars calculator natin. So guys, abang lang po guys, meron pa tayong paraffle ng 5 cars calculators. Sobrang solid nito, at the same time napakamura. And for sure magagamit nyo sa board kasi accredited po. So gagamit tayo ng shift solve dito, which is manageable naman yung time niya. So that is tangent 5 degrees. Just make sure na naka-express po kayo mga Lodi kicks sa ano natin, sa degrees. So baka kasi naka-radians kayo, magkaroon kayo ng error mga idolo. Okay? So we have x, mga Lodi kicks, all over x over tan 15. Just make sure na ma-input nyo siya properly sa mga calculators natin. So we have to do the shift solve. And then, anong lalabas, Sir Lodi kicks? So ang lalabas ay, wait lang guys, namali ako ng input. Kasi hindi naman sakto yung ano natin, Sir IJ, you know? Shift solve, so we have, okay, so we have H approximately, that is 0.1299 mile. Kaya lang, ang sinabi, dun sa choices natin, lahat naka-meters. Di ba meters, tas naka-mile. So, kailangan alam nyo yung conversion. So, we have to consider the conversion that 1 mile is equivalent to 5,280 feet. And we have 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. So, this must be multiplied by 1 mile. For every 1 mile, that is 5,280 mga Lodi cakes feet. And for every 1 meter, that is equivalent to 3.28 feet. Applying dimensional analysis, we can cancel the mile and the feet, leaving us with meters alone. So 0.1299 multiplied by 5,280 multiplied by divided by 3.28. So we have the correct answer, which is 209.1 meter. Kaya lang nasa choices kasi 209.01, pero yun naman yung pinakamalapit. So the final answer for the given problem is letter B. So yun guys, if ever you have questions or clarifications, huwag po kayo mahiya mag-comment sa comment section, and Sir IJ will try his best to address anything na nagpapagulo sa inyo. So maraming salamat mga idolo sa patuloy ng support sa channel natin. Pagpalain kayo palagi ni Lord, and alam ko marami pa kayo matututunan sa mga next tutorial videos natin sa engineering, mathematics, and engineering sciences, or anything na pwede kong ma-share sa inyo mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye and God bless.